Hi everyone, today we're on Module 3 of Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 6, so please turn to page 25 to follow along and take notes. Our vocabulary word for today is multiple. So remember with multiples, like here is an example. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. All you're doing is you're counting up by 6. So you're adding 6 each time. Here, multiples of 8, you're adding 8 each time. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 50, and so on. You can do multiples for any number. So like even multiples of 2, we know are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. So you're counting by that number, you're skip counting by that number, and you are finding the multiples. All right, let's do some review here of some multiplication. So notice that all of these problems have a 0 somewhere in one of the numbers. So when you have that 0, what you do is you look at the two numbers that are not 0. So I can say, okay, what's 8 times 1? Well, 8 times 1 is 8, and then there's 1 0, so we just put the 0 at the end. Here we have 4 times 1. We would do 4, which we know is 4, and then there are 2 zeros, so we would put 0, 0. Here, 6 times 8 is 48, and then there's 1 0, put that 0 at the end. And then here we have 7 times 5 is 35, and then there are 2 zeros. So when you have those, when you're multiplying by tens, hundreds, thousands, it makes it really easy because you just need to multiply the whole number digits and then put the zeros at the end. All right, this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. In each group, there is 100, or square is 100. So that means that each group is worth 200. So we're doing 4 times 200. Well, basically what we're doing is we're doing 4 times 2, which is 8, and then times 100, because that is 4 times 2, and then we're timesing by 100 when we put those two zeros at the end. So 4 times 2 is 8, just like it said here, and then put the zeros on the end, 800. 8 times 100 equals 800. This says find each product, regroup as needed. Well, these are kind of nice because we this first one, 4,000 times 5, because we can do 5 times 4 is 20. And then we have 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. So that's 20,000. Here, this one's a little different for number 6, 692 times 30. So let's do this the traditional way. We start down here. We have 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 9 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. 0, sorry. Then we're going to go to the tens place, but we have to hold that ones place with a 0. So now we'll do 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 9 is 27, so we're going to regroup. 3 times 6 is 18, and then we add that 2. 18 plus 2 is 20. And then we add those numbers. Well, those top ones are 0, but we'll just rewrite it so it looks a little nicer. And then we go over 3 places and put the comma, so 20,760. And then here we're going to rewrite this 6,000 times 9. Well, it's nice though because we can do 9 times 6 is 54. And then we have 1, 2, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, so it is 54,000. All right, this says multiply with multiples of 10. So using symbols, 9 times 5,000, count the zeros in the multiple of 10. So there are 1, 2, 3 zeros. Then write the same number of zeros in the answer. So I was doing it at the end, you can do it at the beginning. And then multiply the non-zero numbers and write the product to the left of the zeros in the answer. So here, they kind of did it just the opposite of what I was showing you. You can do it either way. So they put the 3 zeros first, and then 9 times 5 is 45, so your answer is 45,000. All right, you're going to complete page 27 on your own. Take your time. Good luck.